And let's just bring you the very latest on that situation. Breaking news in Brussels. Belgian troops patrolling Brussels Central Station say that they neutralised one person, after a small explosion this evening. This is according to a police spokesman. And he said that there were no other casualties and the situation was under control. Now, this spokesman could not confirm media reports that the person who they claim has been, in their words, neutralised, had been wearing an explosive vest, and it wasn't clear whether the person who's been shot is still alive. Now, the station is adjacent to the historic downtown area with the Grand Place right in the middle there. On a warm summer's evening, lots of people, including many tourists, would be out and about. That area has been evacuated and police have set up a security cordon, and that is still in place.
Ça va, c'est où?